Assalamu alaikum. May peace and blessing be upon you all. Welcome to MDS Network for your YouTube channel. Today we'll see about Nokia 215 Dual SIM model. The model was announced by Microsoft in its conference, and later it was arrived in the market in starting of February, and it's around the cost of 2100 in Indian rupee. And Microsoft itself says that it is a secondary phone, and obviously the people who have a phone of primary with a smartphone, normally we are encountering the very important issue is that such that our phone always go out of juice, the battery. So this will help us while we are a very critical situation, that without a power we can use this phone to communicate with our friends. But we can say it's something more than that facility it has. It is one of the amazing phone in its range, because it has a VGA camera, and Facebook, Twitter, and basic social needs can also satisfied with this phone. And it almost 32 GB memory card support it's provide, and Microsoft says it almost 21 days it can stand by, and in practical we can say it's almost 10 or 15 days if you go for it. And it is a good worthy thing if you are a good traveler, and obviously this is a very cool one. And even you can use this phone as a data traveler at I already says a 32 GB memory card you can use, so you can use it because it has a USB. It is a standard USB, mini USB it has, so you can directly plug and play with your PC. So let's explore it something new in a better way in Today we have Nokia 215 dual SIM model in our hand. Before unbox this phone, let's see its main feature it has. It has a 2MP VGA camera for our normal photo taken for our ordinary purpose, and it has a Facebook application and a Messenger, Twitter, MSN weather, up to 32 GB SD card support. And you can really utilize this phone as mass storage if you really need it. And you have a Bluetooth as well as torch light. And let us see in detail in our upcoming. Let's unlock this phone clip after it unbox this phone. And we have the phone, then we have a normal USB charger. It's a universal charger right now, so no need to bother about this thing. And next we have a headphone, it's a battery for your phone, and almost this is enough for 20 days of standby. It's guaranteed from the Nokia. And a small user guide to know more about your phone. Is there anything else? No, nothing. That's it. That's in your package. And now we will see about that detailed review. Just take out the phone right now, and you can easily remove the back, and you can insert the battery right now. And here you will see 2 SIM card slot as well as memory card slot also here, so you can directly input your SIM card. There is no need to go for cutting it. And a micro SD slot and a camera almost here. So for a demo I'm not here to put any SIM card here. I just put the battery alone to put the phone. Just press
the left side button, so the phone will be boot. In old model we have a red button, but here it does not indicate any such differentiate. I think that is a somewhat small lag for the first time users, but it was indicated as with old logos, and you will see the all icons over there in a grid format. Facebook, Messenger, and this is a message format, so you can easily message up your friends. This phone built-in video player. Whenever you shoot a video with use of this VGA, so you can get this video here. And also we have a lot of cool features like Bluetooth, so you can easily share your contents over others people's. And let's check out the quality of this camera. I just click it out, you just see how it's look like in your screen. I think this is sufficient for a normal secondary camera, so that we can reduce the overall cost. And you have your games and weather and ping, both are come from Microsoft, so you can enjoy the service from Microsoft. And let's check out the quality of this camera. Yes, sufficient, I think so. And the main drawback is game is not enough. Gaming is not a big deal overall, but while we does not have any charge in our primary phone, then if we want some spare time to spend with fun, then obviously we need some sort of games in our secondary phone itself. While speak about fun games as well as application in this phone, mainly games are produced by a Gameloft. Especially it's a Java based game. As I already says, it is a S30 series phone, so it supports Java. But mysteriously I come to know that I just try to install external games with the use of jar by putting it in a memory card, but I failed to install, so we need to search some other solution to install it. But in built-in application it support buy as well as get the games from its inbuilt store, and it already have 3 or 4 games. Most of them are a trial version, and only one, I think so, it's a full version. But the very very important thing is you need to pay money for each game whatever you want. It almost 50 or something like that. So I think while we are speaking about this type of game mobile phones, you can't spend as much money for just for some sort of fun. And I will speak about the other features. You will see some of the cool things in this phone while we speak about a normal secondary phone. And it has a Facebook inbuilt, so you can enjoy Facebook with your phone. You can directly connect in the internet via any of the service, because you have 2 SIM cards. So if you wish to continue with some cheap rate of internet connection, so you can get another one SIM card for your phone, as well as ping, so you can directly search without leave your phone. And weather report, a similar function what we have in a Windows phone, but it is a very basic thing, but you can get it. As well as Opera Mini,